The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. Let's be real, most meme coins are trash. You've probably lost money on a few, and at this point, you're either ready to give up or you're looking for a way to flip the script. Good news. Today, I'm teaching you how to launch your own meme coins so you can stop being the victim and start being the one making profits. Here's the real game changer. Quit trading meme coins and become the one launching them. Sure, Pump.Fun might come to mind first, but that's the problem. Everyone's using it, and when everyone's doing the same thing, nobody makes serious gains. Here's the real play. We're ditching Pump.Fun completely and using Raydium instead. This network is a game changer, with higher quality projects, better metrics across the board, and most importantly, way less competition. Check this out. While Pump.Fun spits out hundreds of tokens every minute, Raydium only sees about 5 to 10 new launches in that same time. That's the kind of space where we can actually stand out. Alright, let's get into the actual process of launching on Raydium. After testing different methods, I found the absolute simplest solution, launchtool.io. Normally you'd need coding skills and to jump through endless technical hoops, but this tool lets you create a coin in minutes with just a few clicks. No complicated stuff, just straightforward results. Pretty awesome, huh? Let's dive right in, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Step 1 is all about the logo. Make it funny, make it weird, make it impossible to ignore. This is your secret weapon to attract buyers. Check trending topics on Twitter, TikTok, anywhere viral content is. I'm rolling with this funny stick bug meme because it just works. Always remember to export it at 128 by 128 pixels for perfect compatibility. Alright, logo's ready. Time for step 2. This is where the magic happens. Simply click this button to connect your wallet, and just approve the permissions it asks for. Time to fill in your coin's details. You'll need to enter 4 key things: a catchy name, I'm using stick bug meme, a short symbol, I'll use bug, a fun description like, you just got stick bugged, and of course upload that awesome logo you made. Once everything's filled out, hit next and we'll keep rolling. Now we've reached the tokenomics setup. And here's the best part, the platform has already pre-configured all the optimal settings for you. No need to tweak anything here, these numbers are golden. Just hit next, and we'll keep this launch party moving. This section lets you register as the official creator and add a project website. But here's the reality. These details don't impact a meme coin's success. Since it costs 0.1 Sol to enable, I recommend keeping this disabled. Save your funds for more important aspects of your launch. Unlike the creator details, adding social media links here can actually be valuable for your coin's visibility. If you already have some socials ready, feel free to connect them. For our demonstration today though, I'll skip this step to keep things streamlined and focus on the core launch process. This is where your token's credibility gets decided. Revoke authorities are your ironclad security guarantees. Revoke freeze eliminates any chance of transactions being frozen permanently, a nightmare scenario where investors get trapped. Revoke mint destroys the ability to create more tokens, preventing supply inflation that would crater your coin's value. Revoke update locks the contract permanently, so no shady changes can happen post-launch. These aren't just options, they're public proof of your token's safety. Investors will check SolScan immediately. If they see any authority still active, your project is doomed before it starts. The only move? Enable all 3, no exceptions, and launch your token. In just moments, your wallet will appear. Hit confirm on that transaction, go through the standard verification, and wait for the magic to happen. With this, your meme coin is now live on Solana, but we're not stopping there. Let's put it to the test and verify everything on SolScan right this second. Check it out. SolScan shows your coin is live and kicking on the blockchain. You can verify all the key details here. Total supply, transaction signature, everything. But we're not done yet. The real game changer? Step 3 is where things get exciting. Time to give your coin real utility by adding liquidity. Without this step, your token exists, but nobody can trade it. By creating a pool, you're opening the doors for anyone using Raydium to discover and trade your coin. The magic starts with one click on that Create Liquidity Pool button. We're now inside Raydium's interface. First order of business, connect your wallet using the button in the header. Next up, establishing our meme coin as the base token. Hop back to Launch Tool, copy that contract address, and paste it into Raydium's token input. After verifying your coin's details, click on Add User Token, and you'll see the full 1 billion supply. For the pool, we're adding 900 million, since it's the industry standard for meme coins that creates ideal trading conditions right out the gate. Now we need to choose the trading pair for your coin. That's your quote token. For meme coins, Solana is really the only option that makes sense. Here's where you need to focus. You'll want to deposit the maximum amount possible. Don't stress, this isn't risky money. Whether your launch succeeds or fails, you can always withdraw this SOL later with no penalties. Just remember to subtract 0.2 SOL from your total. That's Radium's mandatory pool creation fee. When it comes to fee tiers, I always stick with 2%. It's tried and true. Some claim 0.5% works too, but I haven't tested that myself. Now for the moment of truth, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction in your wallet, and congratulations, your meme coin is now live and ready for trading. Welcome to the big leagues. And just like that, we're live. Seeing our coin on Photon's listings is just the beginning. While early investors start nibbling, let me show you how I cut through the noise. Step 4 reveals my go-to chart analysis technique that tells you exactly when momentum is building. When it comes to tracking your token, Dex Screener is my go-to. It's just cleaner and more reliable than Photon for these videos. Here's how it works. Grab your token's address from Launch Tool, then pop it into Dex Screener's URL, where you'd normally see another token's address. With this, you'll see the analytics for your project. Keep your eye on liquidity levels. That's what really matters long term. And don't sweat the bot activity. It's just part of the game. While you're waiting, head over to Radium's Portfolio tab. This is your command center for tracking positions and balances. When profits start rolling in, this is also where you'll withdraw to your wallet. Just stick to the standard view and give it about 10 to 15 minutes for it to show your position data. No need to refresh like crazy. The blockchain moves at its own pace. Let's do a quick performance recap via a time-lapse. Bots will flood early trades. Filter that noise. Meaningful signals are volume spikes and liquidity growth. Your profits are literally stored in that liquidity pool. When your position appears in Radium, typically in less than 15 minutes, you can withdraw based on your targets. So let me show you how you would do that. This is the finish line. Navigate to your Radium portfolio's standard view and locate your LP position. Hit the minus icon, then slide to 100%. Ignore the upper estimates and focus solely on the SOL value displayed below. That's your guaranteed payout. When ready, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction to complete your exit. A little reminder guys, this is an educational video, not financial advice. That alert means your wallet balance is live. Check it out. In this case, we made some nice numbers in minutes. While these aren't life-changing returns, it demonstrates how strategic execution can generate supplemental income. Remember, this is purely educational, and past performance never guarantees future results. Always assess risk appropriately. Before we wrap up, full transparency. This is strictly educational content. I have no partnerships with Photon, Launch Tool, Dex Screener, or any platforms shown. My goal was simply to demonstrate the technical process of launching coins. That said, this method presents an interesting opportunity. Though like all things in crypto, its viability window could close any time. If you choose to explore it, please do so responsibly.